Here I've got SONY Xperia 5 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open Appearance right here and then click on Wallpaper. So here you can pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so you can choose either album, live wallpapers, something from your photos, or default wallpapers. So I will choose the last option and just come along with all the possibilities. And then pick and apply the one that you would like to have. So as you can see here, you've got plenty of options. And let me choose, for example, this one, then click on Set Wallpaper, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or both of them. And I will pick both home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper on both home screen and also lock screen. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.